Hey guys, it's Savannah with Saudi Says TV, and today I'm here with.
Grant Landis.
So we're in the most exciting part about today so far.
Probably meet and greets and how many people are actually here.
Were you expecting this many?
Kind of and not really.
And you're performing later today, so what will you be performing?
That's a surprise.
Oh, but the people watching aren't here.
Still a surprise.
So what do you do to kind of like prepare for like bigger events like this?
I just practice a bunch of my songs like over and over and over till I get them right, pretty much. I don't do anything special really.
And what has like the kind of like the Vine response been like over the last couple of months?
I actually just started gaining on Vine back in May. So I had like 20K and now I have 193, so.
What are you going to do to celebrate 1 million? Are you going to do a grind on me Vine or something like that?
I'll probably get like a shake from McDonald's or something. I don't know.
I mean, go big or go home. I mean, obviously.
Yeah, for real.
So how's California been so far?
It's been nice. I just got in yesterday, so I haven't really gotten to see much of it.
How was the meetup for Brave Fest yesterday at the mall?
It was crazy. There's probably like 300-400 people, and like I only got to meet like a fourth of them, and then we got kicked out and stuff. So, sorry if you were at that and I didn't get to meet you.
Were you expecting that many people to show up?
Not even close.
What's like the biggest crowd that you performed in front of besides today?
I don't know. Probably Teen Hoot San Diego. So San Diego.
Do you like San Diego?
Yeah, it's good to me.
And you performed at VidCon, so what was that like? Because that's like a huge deal.
Oh, I forgot about VidCon. Yeah. No, VidCon was crazy. Like, and I don't know, it's just like a perfect little venue. So yeah, it was super cool.
And you performed on like the opening night, right? Like kind of like one of the first people.
Yeah, I was like, I don't know, I can't even explain. It was awesome.
Do you look up to a bunch of the people that were actually like attending VidCon?
Yeah, some of them, yeah. So it was pretty cool to get to see them.
What Viners do you look up to and like kind of get inspiration from?
Not really so much Viners, but like artists like Ed Sheeran and John Mayer and things like that.
And if you could collab with any singer in the whole world, who would you collab with?
Ed Sheeran all the way.
Ed Sheeran?
Yeah.
I heard Shawn Mendes met Ed Sheeran.
It's not fair.
That can be you next, from Vine to Ed Sheeran. I mean, like, come on.
Yeah, that works.
Gotta dream big.
Yeah.
And did you honestly think any of this would ever happen just from a little app?
Not really. Like, no, not really.
Is it still kind of like weird to go on Vine and like have like tons of notifications?
Yeah, it's super cool.
And what can a fan do on Twitter to make you notice them?
Be funny and talk about chicken.
Chicken?
Yeah, chicken.
What's your favorite kind of chicken? Very important
The
question.
fried kind.
The fried kind? From KFC?
Popeyes,
You guys
but
have that?
KFC's good.
Do we have Popeyes in California? Yeah. Oh, just
Oh, I didn't know they have Popeyes in California.
I didn't know they had it here. Where are you from?
Missouri. So yeah.
Do you like California a lot more, or it's kind of like the same?
California's a lot better, but I mean, I don't mind Missouri.
Do you still go to like normal school?
I did last year, but I'm starting homeschool this year.
Was it weird kind of at the end of the year to kind of like go to school and then have like the girls know who you are from Vine?
Yeah, it's pretty weird.
Do people ask for pictures at school?
No. I've known them all since like kindergarten.
Oh, that would be cool. That like they tell all their other friends like, yeah, like I'm friends with Grant Landis, like.
Yeah.
And congrats on all of the success on your Vine, and I hope you hit 1 million soon.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for the interview, and can you just give everyone your social media so everyone can go follow you?
Everything's Grant Landis, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Vine, all that. So yeah.
Oh, and I was asked to tell you to do a full cover of.
Stay with me.
No, it's one of the other popular ones you have.
I don't know.
Like they were like, you have to tell him to do that, and I was like, oh crap.
I'll just do a full cover of like every song.
All of your Vines do full covers of?
Yeah, I'll do full covers of all of them.
Maybe, have you done She Looks So Perfect? I think it might have been that song.
I'm doing that tonight, actually.
Really?
Yeah.
Have you done Shawn Mendes' new song yet?
Life's the Party. I did it
Yeah.
on You Now once. So.
You should do it on Vine. You gotta get those
I have,
revines.
actually.
Really?
So, yeah. Yeah, he followed me after it, so.
Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm sorry I just started rambling again, but bye!
See it.